Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to find your headphones JBL Vibe Flex. You have to start by open the application and now scroll down. Click on Find My Buds and now you can play a song for the left one or right earbud or for both of them. So let's say I wanna do it for the left one, I just click here. Now don't use the headphones when you play this song, so just click continue, and as you can hear, it just plays some song, and the same for the right one. Now both. When you finish, just click to pause it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!